Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know my face is looking a little bit crazy right now, but I'll tell you why. In today's video, I'm going to be testing the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay Setting Powder. I got it in the Ipsy order. I'm super excited about that. And then we're going to be testing the Eyeko Eyeliner, and we're gonna throw on some red lips and try to make like a sultry kind of look, I think. Yeah, I'm just super excited to try this. I just concealed my face. We're gonna jump right into the setting powder. There we go. It's a lot more white than the other setting powder that I use. Oh my goodness, yeah. Okay, so I'm just popping it onto all the areas that I already concealed. It feels really light and it feels really smooth. I think that we're gonna use this as a bake actually. So we're not gonna just let it set in our skin, we're just going to let it bake for a few minutes. We're gonna bake at 350 degrees in the oven, like James Charles would say. And we're just gonna set the rest of our face with it too, because why the hell not? Oh my god, I think that this powder, the Tarte Amazonian Clay Setting Powder, is definitely better than the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, which I have right here. Like, it depends on the type of look you're going for, but I am so happy to say that this product is really good. But just look at the difference in the pigmentation of the two products too. Like, I feel like this is better for like an everyday kind of look, and this is more like glam. But yeah, that is my review on this. I'm super friggin' excited about this. Holy. Get our handy dandy setting spray. When your setting spray is dry, just get whatever loose powder matches your whole skin tone, and we're going to blend everything together. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, so we're going to pop on some highlight. We're gonna pop it onto a dry face, so it's not super intense. Make sure that you hit your Cupid's bow before we put any of the lipstick on. It's really important for the type of look that we're going for. Did not do my eyebrows. I'm not going to do my eyebrows. You should do your eyebrows because it does make a huge difference with the look. However, your girl too lazy. I'm gonna pop off camera and I'm going to do a really quick eye look. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. It's just gonna be a combination of two colors from my Violet Voss palette. I did a tutorial. You should go check that out, guys. But anyways, it's going to be a mixture of Woman Crush Wednesday and Hustle. I'm just going to pop it only into the crease because we don't want a dramatic eye. We want a liner and a dramatic lip. The crease is done. It's just like I said, with a combination of a beige and a peach color for a very neutral look. Very toned down, and then we swipe the excess under our eyes. What we're going to do next is grab the lovely Eyeko pencil, and we're going to go in for a winged eyeliner look, and I might do this off camera just so I don't royally fuck up. This is what it looks like. Super pigmented. I'm going to just quickly show you guys again. Like, look at that. Whoa. Okay, I'm halfway there. I'm gonna cut this part out, but it looks like shit so far. Okay guys, I am back. I have only applied the Eyeko eyeliner, so just a little quick review. The product itself is really good. The applicator is just a little bit hard to use. You gotta go like straight in with the tip, otherwise it's gonna like disperse really weird. It doesn't come out exactly how you think it would. But overall, we're giving this a 7 out of 10. Lashes, some mascara, and We are also going to use a white pencil for this sultry look, and we're going to just get our underwater line. And yeah, I'm gonna go put on some mascara quickly. Okay, lovely. So we got the top half of our sultry look done. I don't know how sultry you would consider this, but we're gonna throw on a dark lip just to tie it all together. And yeah, I think that we're gonna do like an ombre kind of lip. That would look really cool. We're going to use the Revlon Matte Lip Balm in the shade 25. Oh my god, this shade is literally called Sultry. How funny is that? Oh my god. Get a dark color and just line your lips. I need to sharpen this pencil. You want to color your lip a little bit darker on the sides just to create the ombre look. And just fill in our lip color and just focus it on the middle of your lip, your bottom lip, and hack it on. Don't be scared. There you have it. Very happy with the way this turned out. We did a review of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Setting Powder as well as the Eyeko Eyeliner. I didn't apply very well, but I also tried to show you guys a little sultry kind of look. Hit the big like and subscribe button before you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Tune in for the next video. I will be reviewing some more products, probably creating a look. Stay tuned to find out what that is, because I have no idea. Peace! Oh, snap. It's me, looking kind of glam.